back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. This is my channel, Mo Nation. So in this video, we're gonna be doing a basic maintenance wash on this BMW M4. Now, if you've been following my videos for a good little minute, you already know I did a one-step correction and a 7-year coating on this same particular car, which is obviously the same car from that video. What I do with my, when I do a ceramic coating, I always tell a customer, hey, give it a week, don't go through no washes, try to avoid car washes, touchless wash, whatever, avoid it all. And then I schedule them 2 weeks from there and I give them a free wash. Now, I like to do these washes because it gives me content for YouTube, which I take these very same videos I put on here and I compress it down to a minute and a half videos, and I put it on my website, I put it on the Facebook page, Instagram page, all that good stuff. And that's a lot of times how I get customers, because they see these videos and then I kind of did just a little voiceover like I do for y'all. Also, it just lets me see if I miss any spots, any high spots or anything like that that I can correct right then and there. Now, let's go ahead and get this video started, y'all. I do the 1 bucket method. I don't do this for every single vehicle, but for the ones that, you know, I did a correction on, or the paint's in really great condition, it's not all swirled up where I can see the swirls through the dirt, you know, I try to be super careful. Now, the 1 bucket method is pretty simple. You get some microfiber towels or you get some wash mitts. I would say microfiber towels because you have 8 sides, or you can use the 4 sides. If you use a wash mitt, you only got 2 sides, and you're gonna be switching pretty often. What you're gonna do is each panel is gonna be a side of the towel or whatever. So you wipe one panel, flip to the other side, wipe that other panel, flip again, wipe that panel, and flip again, and you just keep going until you used up all the towel or the wash mitt. Once you use it all up, you go grab another one out of the bucket, and that's pretty simple. I used to do the 2 bucket method, but I just feel like the 2 bucket method is a little bit too much for the amount of cars that I be doing sometimes. So yeah. As you may notice, I'm applying what people would consider a topper to the vehicle as well. One thing that, from all the reading and videos I've been watching and talking to different people, is that maintenance is the key when it comes to coatings. I'm not gonna lie to y'all and say that I totally believe in the coatings. At one point, I thought it was all a scam in a way. I really thought that it was too good to be true. And some of the companies that were pushing it, I was like, yeah, this is too good to be true. Now, what changed my mind is talking to different people, reading on different things, actually seeing vehicles that were coated, washing vehicles that were coated, that what just coated 6 months ago, years ago, and still having that effect. Now, one thing that I did learn is most of the customers don't even know what coating is on their vehicle, number 1. Number 2, probably about 80% of them will not do any type of maintenance to it at all. And so from everything that I pretty much gathered, the thing is that I came down to is that maintenance is basically the key to it. The thing that got confusing with me is trying to pick a coating is because I'm watching all these different YouTubers, different videos and stuff like that, and I see people applying a coating that just came out like 6 months ago or a year ago, and they're like, oh, this is a 3-5 month coating. And then they're like, to me, I'm like, how do you know it's gonna last that long? And well, like I said, the conclusion I just got from all of that is basically maintenance is the key. So always, after I finish a coating, I always tell a customer, you know, the products that they should get to maintain the coating, that, hey, you can't go a whole year of not washing your vehicle and then washing and expect for the coating to perform at its highest peak. If you don't take care of it, then hey, it won't last. As long as you take care of it, yes, it will last. So with that being said, that's why I do the 2 weeks after free wash, and then I get them on the schedule every 3 months. Now if they want to do 2 months, 1 month, however, the least that I offer is every 3 months I come out there to do a basic wash and to apply like a topper. Even that I was kind of skeptical about when applying the topper, because I'm like, why would you need to apply that, if you got a coating on there? But then at the same time, after doing some thinking, I was like, you know what, it kind of makes sense. If I can protect something that's already protecting the paint, if I can put another bulletproof vest on it, why not? If it fit, why not wear it? Just for the extra protection type of thing. So one thing I did learn that with the different coating companies, that everyone is gonna say they have the best SIA2 coating, the best graphene coating, the best titanium coating, the best whatever that's not even really a coating type of thing. Everybody's gonna say this is the best protection to have. It's almost like somebody who sells weed. Everybody knows a person that sells weed that always has the best weed. I don't smoke, but I'm just letting you know from some experiences of people asking me. Same thing with coating companies. Everybody's gonna say I got the best coating. I think it's just up to us as the detailer to do a little bit of research, ask some questions, and figure out which one that you just want to go with, and to make sure that coating is actually being maintained type of thing. So that's it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please comment down below. I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. I hope you have had a great day, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.